Have you ever wondered how much money you can make from a messenger that you might not have even heard of? Telegram is a platform that is growing in popularity worldwide. In this video, I will share how much I earn from my Telegram channel with just 70,000 subscribers. Also, I will share what I've learned along this way. This might just inspire you to start your own channel. Telegram isn't just a messaging app. It's a platform where creators make channels to share content with their followers. It's somewhere between a blog and social media. In 2022, while working as a data analyst, I decided to create my first Telegram channel. I was inspired by the idea of sharing my knowledge and experience with people who are just starting out in this field. Now let's talk the numbers. For this channel, the main way I make money is through sponsored ads. Sponsored ads are when brands or companies pay channel owners to promote their products or services in their content. Advertisers started reaching out to me in September 2022, about 3 or 4 months after I launched the channel, when the subscriber count passed 1,000. But I didn't start selling ads until November, when I made my first $819 from one client who ordered several placements. In December, I earned another $218. Now let's move on to 2023. That year, the channel kept growing and so did the income. The biggest earnings came in July, $2,377, November, $2,749, and December, $2,638. I also ran ads on YouTube, which brought in an additional $1,856, but I'm excluding that from the total. So the total income from the Telegram channel in 2023 was about $40,000. In 2024, the number of subscribers keeps growing. What's interesting is that I promote this channel completely for free, without spending money on ads. In the last 3 months, I've earned $3,200 every month. And even though the year isn't over, the total income for 2024 is already $90,529, not counting YouTube earnings. Besides my Russian channel, I have 2 English language channels aimed at an international audience. One of them is also about analytics. These channels help me promote my projects on the international market, from which I make around $2,000. I promote them in entirely different ways. Yes, Telegram channels are also popular in international markets, especially among those interested in programming, businesses, and analytics. Let's talk about some lessons that I've learned over 2 years. Your content needs to be useful to your audience. For example, this post got more than 1,100 shares, and almost all my posts get a lot of likes and shares, which shows they are valuable to my subscribers. Write about what interests you, but do it in a way that's useful for your readers. Even if you are a beginner in some field, your channel can still be helpful to other beginners because they face the same challenges. All good things take time and consistency. Many people start but don't keep going long enough to see success. Consistency and constant improvement are key to success. Set aside time to create content and promote your channel. Analyze the results and try new ideas. Money isn't the only benefit you get. Sharing useful information helps me organize my thoughts and generate new ideas. I also get interesting offers, collaboration with big companies, free tickets to conference, and free access to products and services. There are many ways to monetize Telegram channels. I told more about monetization methods in this video. I've created a complete video guide on how to create, grow and monetize Telegram channels. It includes all my experience from over 2 years of developing Telegram channel. How to create really useful content that will attract a lot of subscribers and views. Promotion methods, all of them both paid and free, and how effective each one is. And how to set it up. How to monetize a Telegram channel and finally start making money from it. Not just the methods, but step-by-step instructions on how to get your channel earning. And if you buy within 3 days, you can ask me any question about promoting, monetizing, making content, and I will answer it directly. You can find the link to the guide in the description. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.